Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android. So in this video, I will show you how to turn off animation effect on Windows 11. So it may have a slight impact on the speed of opening the application, making them much more responsive and faster. And beside that, you can also help reduce the load on the CPU and GPU. So to turn off the animation effect, you just need to go to settings. First of all, we go to the Windows logo and click right and click settings. On the settings, we click on accessibility. On accessibility, we click visual effect. On the visual effect, you can see animation effect. So it's on. You just need to click on here to turn off the animation effect. So now we already turn off the animation effect. You can see when I minimize, and you can see there is no animation anymore. You can see no animation. When you click something, it's only just appears and no animation anymore. So I hope this video is helpful and see you in another video.